Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to work with columns in Weebly. If you're building a website and want to organize your content side by side, columns are essential for creating professional, organized layouts. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left side menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it to expand your website management options. Now, under the website section, click on Edit Site. This will show you a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website you want to edit from this list. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page where you can make changes to your website's design and content. When the editor loads, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where all your design and layout tools are located, and it's the section you need for working with columns. Here's the exciting part: creating columns in Weebly is actually incredibly simple and intuitive. All you need to do is drag one element beside another element, and Weebly will automatically create a column layout for you. For example, if you want two title elements side by side, simply drag a title element from your element library and position it to the left or right side of an existing title element that's already on your page. As you drag the element near the edge of another element, you'll notice that Weebly gives you a visual indicator showing where the column will be created. Just drop the element when you see this indicator, and there you have it, a perfectly aligned column layout. You can repeat this process with any type of element, whether it's text, images, buttons, or any other component. Simply drag the element to the left or right side of another element, and Weebly handles the column creation automatically. This drag and drop method makes it easy to experiment with different layouts until you find the arrangement that works best for your website's design. And that's it. You now know how to create and work with columns in Weebly using this straightforward technique. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.